Hello, so we are the Pathfinders, and in this segment, we will be discussing the reversing the tide, combating eutrophication in Manila Bay. So, the eutrophication of Manila Bay due to phosphorus and sedimentary cycle presents a pressing environmental challenge with far-reaching consequences. Historically, rapid urbanization, industrialization, and intensive agriculture have contributed to high levels of nutrient runoff and sedimentation in the bay. Excessive phosphorus from fertilizers, untreated sewage, and industrial discharges fuels algal blooms, choking the baby waters and depleting oxygen levels upon decomposition. So this phenomenon not only harms the marine life, but also interrupts local fisheries and threatens human health. Sedimentation exacerbates the issue, smothering coral reefs and seagrasses beds crucial for diversity or biodiversity and coastal protection. So the loss of these habitats weakens the bay's resilience against natural disasters like typhoons and storm surges, leaving coastal communities vulnerable.
Addressing the eutrophication of Manila Bay demands holistic strategies. Efforts must include stringent regulations on wastewater discharge, sustainable agricultural practices to reduce nutrient runoff, reforestation to prevent soil erosion, and restoration of critical marine habitats. Additionally, public awareness campaigns and community involvement are vital to foster a culture.
By prioritizing the health of Manila Bay, will not only safeguard its ecological integrity but also ensure the sustainability and well-being of the communities that depends on it for their livelihood and recreation. Time is of the essence. Concerted action is needed to reverse the tide of eutrophication and restore the bay to its former glory.